Welcome to GyaanStation, where we empower professionals with the latest knowledge and skills to excel in their fields. Our channel is dedicated to providing comprehensive insights into a wide range of topics, including the latest updates on income tax, GST, finance, accounts, audit, human resources, labor laws, FEMA, personality development, and overall professional grooming. At GyaanStation, we conduct a variety of online webinars and courses designed to keep you ahead in your career. With over 300 successful online and offline programs featuring expert faculty from across the country, we are committed to offering valuable content that enhances your practice and job performance at the manager, executive and all levels. Our mission is to ensure that you stay updated with the latest government notifications, industry trends, and technological advancements. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to cutting-edge information and expert advice that will help you stay ahead in your profession. Join us on this journey as we continue to deliver top-notch education and support to help you become an expert in your field. Stay tuned for regular updates and valuable insights that will keep you informed and proficient in your professional life. Welcome to GyaanStation, where knowledge meets excellence.